Hello friends, in today's video we are going to fix VT is disabled in Knox player। दोस्तों अगर ये इशू को आप सॉल्व करना चाहते हो तो जैसा मैं करता हूँ उसको फॉलो कीजिए। Knox player work on the virtualization technology. It says that virtualization technology is disabled. If you click on enable VT to get better performance, you will see another window. It says the instruction what you have to do to enable VT. Last step says restart your computer after enabling VT. By watching last step you will click on open. Then again you will see another pop-up stating that are you sure you want to restart your computer and enable VT. You will click on confirm, then your PC will restart. You will think that computer might automatically enable VT and restarting. After restart you will happily open Knox player by thinking issue might have automatically fixed, but still you will face that same issue. Now let's fix this issue। दोस्तों अभी यहाँ से आप वीडियो के स्टेप्स को फॉलो कीजिए। टर्न ऑफ कंप्यूटर। Now turn on computer by clicking on power button. Now on the bottom of the screen you will see press F2 to go into the BIOS setting. You have to click on F2. Then you will go into the BIOS setting. You have to click on advanced mode. Now again click on advanced mode. Note your BIOS setting will be different. You have to search advanced mode and then you have to search advanced, and in that you have to search CPU configuration. In CPU configuration scroll down and you will see virtualization, Intel virtualization technology. As you can see it is disabled. You have to click on it and select enable and click on enable. Then after that click on exit. Now here you will get a pop-up. If you want to save the changes or discard the changes and exit, you have to save and restart, and then after that you have to click on yes. Now you have to wait. Computer will restart with the virtualization enabled. Computer is on and I am 100% sure that Knox player problem has fixed. If you fix the problem by watching this video, then hit that like button and share the video. Subscribe to my channel and you can follow me on Instagram. If you have any doubt you can follow me on Instagram and you can message me over there. Now I am going to display you the problem has fixed. You can see now there is no pop-up stating VT is disabled. Hence the problem is fixed. That's it in this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.